Goat token doing its thing. We're actually excited. We're so excited every day that goes by because we have like 23,000 transactions in just under 2 weeks. We got 615 up in here. Yeah, we've had some redeemers, but you know what? Anybody that's been holding, their ratio's just been going up, and I like it because it looks like Pulse is about to bottom out here and start ripping again. And as you know, we are backed with the mighty Pulse Chain token, and from here to the top, that's 28 cent. That's 28% that we're gonna get back over here. And what I'm most excited about is the feeder, guys. You guys are just killing the feeder. You're absolutely smashing the feeder. We got almost $100,000 in the feeder. so we got $100,000 here. We got what, $483,000 here still. Yeah, we're kicking ass. I think we're doing
good. Dude.
What?
So that new program that I started writing this morning for us, the stats fetcher, it's now going through and fetching the info on all 794 addresses.
Oh, cool. Well, you just
it is going to take a minute. Yeah, I just had to change up a little something. So yeah, guys, that's actually one of the things that we had a bit of a joke about this morning, but it kind of turned into a serious development. Is we're making, we've written now a script which will help us to determine what you guys are doing with Goat token, right? So basically, we'll be able to see with a generated report, basically whether people are depositing more or withdrawing more, who's in profit, who's not, etc. And basically, we export that to both JSON, which is like good for programming, but then we also export that to CSV, which is a spreadsheet format, which means we can sort of produce rich metrics and stat reports or whatever on basically what the ecosystem is doing.
Yeah,
I think it'll be great for gathering an insight as to what's happening, and I know there are certainly data-driven people out there that'll appreciate that as well. So
like
results
Dune
of that
Analytics. We got in-house Dune Analytics now. Yeah, so we'll have some more stats, I guess. Donnie will have some more stats about like volume, daily volume, how much volume's coming in and out or whatever. How much is that's what you're working on basically?